like some like wood or the egg, whatever, it's prone back, you know. So if direct sound is 100%, but distribute 10%, 5%, 50%, so we can reduce reverberation each way. So you need to thinking about the sound character, okay? Okay, the red one is a direct sound, and this one is a reflex sound.
Oke, kita bisa lihat di gambar. Yang merah itu sudut datang, kemudian yang biru adalah sudut pantulnya.
If you install the hardware, reflection 100% reflection, right?
Kalau kita pakai dinding yang keras, sudut datang sama dengan sudut pantul. 100% suara datang, 100% suara dipantulkan.
But if you set up like absorption, some panel acoustic treatment, you can reduce reverberation up to the 40%, something like that.
Nah, kalau kita memakai sebuah acoustic absorption, itu sudut datangnya 100%, sudut pantulnya kita akan bisa kurangi sampai 40%.
Okay, look around this hole, the side wall and front wall, whatever. There is an absorption in here.
Kita lihat sekeliling, apakah teman-teman melihat ada absorption?
No, right?
Tidak ada.
Nothing. Everything is hardware, right? But your chair and your body is absorption.
Tidak ada, tetapi bangku yang teman-teman duduki dan badan kita sendiri itu menjadi absorption buat suara.
But we need to still, because if I say, hello, we have a reverberation here, right? So even you stand here, even you have a good chair, absorption chair, but we still need acoustic treatment to reduce the reflection, right?
Oke, walaupun bangku sudah lumayan menyerap dan tubuh kita lumayan menyerap, tapi kalau dia teriak tadi, itu tetap dibutuhkan yang namanya acoustic treatment.
The other thing, one more thing is diffusion. We need that.
Oke, yang selanjutnya adalah diffuse. Dia memecah ya teman-teman.
Not flat wall, not flat absorption. Like some like wood or the egg, whatever, is prone back, you know. So if direct sound is 100%, but distribute 10%, 5%, 50%, so we can reduce reverberation each way, right?
Jadi dia tidak menyerap, tapi dipantulkan, hanya saja sudut pantulnya dipecah menjadi lebih kecil.
If you're ready, this character, 3 of them, you can control your reverberation for your church.
Jadi kalau kita punya 3 buah kontrol untuk acoustic treatment ini, kita akan bisa mengontrol pantulan di gereja kita.
Let's see this church. This church is near from my home. So they have the chair. This chair affect as a absorption chair.
Oke, ini gereja di dekat rumahnya Lee. Dia punya bangku yang untuk absorpsi.
The chair is very fat. The chair design the absorb the low frequency like 100, 150 hertz. They can absorb.
Ini kursi yang didesain secara khusus, teman-teman, memakai busa yang tebal, sehingga didesain untuk menyerap frekuensi 100 Hz ke atas.
And they have the panel, acoustic treatment pair for making proper reflection.
Ya, di atas itu bukanlah hiasan, tapi itu sebuah acoustic treatment juga untuk meminimalisir pantulan yang ke atas.
If you can see some of the between the wall, some of the black side, the area, right? That is absorption.
Ya, yang di atas yang hitam itu juga bukan langsung langit-langit, tapi itu juga busa absorption.
That is huge church. If they don't have any absorption chair, acoustic treatment, everything, they happen at least 8 second reverberation.
Oke, jadi jikalau gereja tidak punya acoustic treatment, minimal harus 8 second?
Yeah, some of them.
Oke, jadi harus punya minimal reverb time-nya itu 8 detik.
But after installation like this one, they can reduce. They just set up reverberation 2.8 second.
Oke, jadi kalau mereka memakai acoustic treatment, dia akan berkurang 2,8 detik reverb time.
2.8 second is good to choir, to organ. Yeah, just the traditional worship service is good. Yeah.
Ya, 2,8 itu angka yang cukup baik.
But for your band, like contemporary band, like bass guitar, dong 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 dong, electric guitar, whatever, 2.8 is not good for us.
Ya, kalau untuk frekuensi low seperti bass gitar, 2,8 itu bukan angka yang baik.
I just suggest to set up like 1.8 or 1.5 second, something like that.
Biasanya saya men-set sampai 1,8 hingga 1,5 milisecond.
So how can make that?
Bagaimana kita bisa membuatnya?
If the people gathering at worship service, their body can reduce 1 second.
Oke, jadi orang-orang yang berkumpul dalam gereja, tubuh mereka bisa mengurangi 1 detik.
So church designer, architect designer, and sound guy, sound company, they need to thinking about the like this absorption, reflection, and diffusion.
Jadi arsitek dan perusahaan-perusahaan instalasi sound harus memikirkan ini, memikirkan orang-orang ini dan bahwa mereka juga bisa mengurangi 1 detik untuk reverb time.
If you do not this, even you run amazing skill of the how to operate the soundboard, equalizing, compressor, whatever, you cannot hear good sound at your church. It's gonna be just moody.
Jika teman-teman tidak melakukan ini, melakukan acoustic treatment, seberapa profesionalnya teman-teman, seberapa jagonya teman-teman memixing, seberapa mengertinya teman-teman tentang mixer dan lain sebagainya, suaranya tidak akan baik teman-teman.
So please thinking about consider acoustic treatment, acoustic condition first before buying expensive equipment. Okay, please do not expensive sound mixer. Before then, please replace acoustic treatment first.
Jadi tolong benar-benar ini dipikirkan, jangan membeli alat-alat yang mahal tapi tanpa memikirkan acoustic treatment.
Okay, that was a big church, right? Not our church story, right? But this one is not big church, right? Like 150 people, 200 people, something like that.
Oke, gambar yang tadi mungkin gereja yang besar. Mungkin teman-teman berpikir ini bukan gereja saya tidak sebesar itu. Sekarang kita melihat contoh gereja dengan 150 orang kira-kira.
The side wall, they just install some of the acoustic treatment impact there.
Oke, di dinding kiri kanan mereka menempelkan acoustic treatment.
So they don't have too much reflection from the main speaker and reflect from the back wall. They don't have it, right?
Jadi mereka tidak ada pantulan sama sekali dari speaker utama, balik ke tembok, balik lagi ke panggung.
And look at this, the panel on the ceiling.
Dan lihat di langit-langit juga ada acoustic panelnya teman-teman.
That's not expensive one. The American church, they can order them from the Amazon, like each panel like $50, something like that.
Dan ini bukan panel akustik yang mahal. Teman-teman bisa kalau di Amerika memesannya lewat Amazon, mungkin di sini Tokopedia-nya ya teman-teman.
The name of the acoustic cloud panel, like a cloud panel. So they can install very easily, quickly, and reduce your reflection from the ceiling.
Oke, namanya adalah acoustic cloud panel. Ini bisa benar-benar mempengaruhi pantulan.
Like this one, if you install main speaker on the ceiling like this one, and put the low frequency sub and high frequency like this one, you can make huge reflection from the ceiling.
Oke, jadi kalau kita memakai speaker yang digantung seperti ini, acoustic panel ini benar-benar bisa mengurangi pantulan.
If you don't have money, you can make by yourself.
Kalau tidak punya uang, bisa buat sendiri.
Like this.
Seperti ini.
In case of the church ask us, okay, we purchased good equipment. We purchased good sound mixer speaker, very expensive one. But because of the reverberation, we cannot make any sound. So please come to here and make some customizing panel like that.
Oke, mungkin kita menghabiskan banyak uang untuk membeli alat-alat audio yang mahal, tapi tanpa pengaturan akustik, kita tidak akan terdengar baik.
You can make that. It's very easily. Okay, let's show some video. Okay, I understand. Probably it might be good if we do acoustic treatment. We can reduce reverberation or not. But if you don't sure about that, I will show this video.
Oke, mungkin teman-teman sudah mengerti. Ya, mungkin akustik panel bisa mengurangi reverb, tapi mungkin teman-teman tidak ada gambaran. Kita lihat video bareng-bareng, teman-teman.
Yeah, like this one video. Please feel free to. After installation of acoustic treatment,
Setelah di treatment,
like this.
ya dia tidak menghilangkan pantulan, hanya mengurangi saja.
Okay, this video actually taken by iPhone.
Ini video diambil dengan sebuah iPhone, bukan iklan, teman-teman.
That means the people listen more reduced reverberation. Okay?
Oke, jadi benar-benar nyata, bukan orang benar-benar mendengar pantulan yang berkurang.
So if you do that, drum, bass, guitar, whatever, you can listen each instrument clearly.
Jadi kalau kita melakukan treatment, suara drum, suara bass itu kita bisa dengar masing-masing secara jelas.
So please consider acoustic treatment before learning technical skill.
Jadi benar-benar pertimbangkan untuk acoustic treatment sebelum kita belajar teknik memixing.